Hello and welcome to your next tutorial. We'll be learning about the switch statement. And if you remember from our last tutorial, if you create a food object and set it to say dirt or whatever, and then you could say, okay, if f equals banana, do this, else if dirt or f equals fried worms or whatever. And you see, okay, it doesn't really take a long time, but let's say you had a large enumeration and we added more like lasagna, spaghetti, shoes, other things like puffer fish, cereal, and one more word, eggs. Okay, well, okay, so then okay, let's just take this, copy it, paste, and let's see, tortoise, and then you can see it's going to take quite a long time. Well, there is one method you could do that does take a little bit faster to make, and that's called the switch statement. And let me just show you what it does real fast before I explain it. Switch food, or no, switch F. You have to have that, and you could do case dirt, and then you have to have a break statement after case banana. Break. You can already see that this is quite a bit faster. Case syrup. And I don't have enough time to do this all, so let me just show you what in fact, actually, you know what we'll do? We'll just make a different method. Void say stuff. And this will show that you can also use enumerations through methods too. Food type. And then so then let me just take this, Control X, and put it down here. Switch type, and you could say see out I love dirt too. Don't know why you would say that. And L, and then for bananas you could say something like you gross, only monkeys eat those. And then for syrup you could say what's wrong with you. Okay, and so let me just tell you what this switch statement does. So what this switch statement does is it takes a type. Right now it's food, alright? So it just says type, and it says, okay, what are all the possible values of type? You know, it could be dirt, banana, syrup, and if you specified others, then, you know, do other things. For instance, we could have a default, and always put this at the end. It's just good coding practice. And you could say, see out, I love that type of food too, even though we didn't specify food. So it means, okay, if it's not dirt, banana, or syrup, say that. So what this does is it takes type and it says, okay, since type is a food object, it can equal dirt, banana, syrup, or if it is any of the other ones, you could just do the default. And the reason why you need this break is the switch statement is a little weird. Once you do dirt, if dirt is true, for some reason it thinks it's a great idea to just do the rest too, even if they're not true or not. For instance, if type equals dirt, it will just say, okay, do this, and then do this, and then do this. And the reason why I need break is to say, okay, get out this switch statement, just, we know it's dirt, okay, just print that out and then get done. Don't do the rest. Let me do a demonstration, F, and then we'll do equals dirt. And then say stuff, F. And then watch what happens. say stuff. Oh yeah, okay, hold on. You need to put this up here, and be sure to put semicolon after. Food was not declared in the scope. Okay, so maybe you have to put this under the enumeration, like that. And then, okay, it will say I loves dirt too. And let me show you what happens when you get rid of the break statements. I'll just get rid of this one. And then look, it says I loves dirt too. You grows only monkeys eat those. And then if we were to get rid of this one, it would just keep going. What's wrong with you? And then if you get rid of that, I love that type of food too. So it goes through all of them, which is why you want those break. Return also works here, but if you had some other stuff down here like see out, well, I'm full, then you wouldn't want to return because it would just escape the method altogether and you wouldn't get any of this juicy, well, I'm full. So, and maybe next tutorial I'll teach you what the break and the continue statement is. That might be a good thing to teach too while you guys practice your pointer skills. For now, that's basically what the switch statement does. If you wanted to practice, food y equals, let's say, banana, and then food g equals eggs, and then if you just say stuff y, okay, and then say stuff g, you'll notice, okay, oh, do we put the break statements back? Okay, never mind. So say, I loves dirt too. Well, I'm full. Okay, because that's dirt. You girls, only monkeys eat those because y equals banana. And, well, I love that type of food too. Well, I'm full because g is eggs. And by default, it just says, I love that type of food too. Even if you put in pufferfish or tortoise. Or, I don't even want to think why you would eat that stuff. Okay, that's your tutorial. Next tutorial, we'll probably do the continue and the break statements. It's going to be a really easy tutorial before we go into classes. You don't need to know what that stuff is for classes. I just think it's probably very simple that you should probably know what those are by now. And well, until then, see you later.